In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Fuzzy Lookup Add-in in Excel and how to install it in your Excel. Then I will show you how to use it, how to do comparison in two tables. Because normally when we put VLOOKUP for getting a data from another table, what we take care is the letters in the first table should match with the second one. That's how it do the lookup. But in fuzzy lookup you can give it a little flexibility. So let me do that by downloading it first from the internet. So here is my browser. I will download the fuzzy lookup add-in here. Download fuzzy lookup add-in in Excel. So it will take me to Microsoft downloadable center. There we can it is showing me some videos, so we will just move down. Here is the official Microsoft website where we can download this fuzzy lookup add-in. This lookup usually add a little flexibility to your Excel skills. Whenever you want to compare data between two tables where it is not in a proper order, so you can do this lookup and get the matches as much as you can, and you can also give it a number like how many matches you want in your output table. So let me just download this file. So here is Microsoft's official download center. From here you can download the executable file. It also show you the details of that add-in. Here the file size is 1.4 MB and the setup.exe, this is the file name. And system requirement, it is compatible with Windows 7, 10, 8, 8.1 and all. Then that system should have 1 GB RAM and 2 GB hard disk and all. So what we'll do now, we will just download the file. So I'll just now click on this download button. Now it is asking me to save this file, so I will just click on the save file. I think it is downloaded now, so I will just open the file containing folder. There you will see this setup.exe file is downloaded, so you just need to install it in your system. So now I will install it in my Excel. Click on install. It will not take much time. Now it is asking me to accept the term and condition, so I will check on this and click on install. So now this exe file is installing in my system. Okay, click on finish. So the setup is now successful. We will just close this one, and now I will open my Excel. So let me see if it is there in my Excel or not. Otherwise we'll have to drag it
और
down
यहाँ
from the river. Guys, as you saw, I just installed the fuzzy lookup add-in in my Excel. So once the installation is done, if you'll go to that folder, you will find some instructions files, like what are the steps that we need to follow to do this lookup in our Excel. And it has also provided an Excel file for example. So I have just opened that file. Okay, the portfolio file. So here you can see the some tabs like instruction, how to use it. You can read all these things, but I don't have time for that. So I'll just skip to the end. And these are some examples like company name is here, shares are here. Then in other table, if you'll see here, company names are there, but in a different order. So I just need to get the company name and all other fields in my this Excel. So what I need to do is I'll just go to this fuzzy lookup. It has already clicked, and I'll just click on this one, this icon. Here you'll see it is showing me the tables, like this portfolio table is here in my first one, and SP500, this one, this table name. So it is my second table. So now I am just considering the combination or the matches between company in this both folders. These are my columns, like company column in my first portfolio table, and then again the same company name in my second table. Then what are the fields that I needed in my output? Also I have clicked everything here. You can see matches. I'll just put a little more. Then similarity threshold, I'll just put it to the left. Yeah, so that I can get more number of matches. Then what I need to do is I need to click on this go button. I just clicked. See, wherever I put my cursor, it's just started matching from that onwards. So you can see like here in my this table, Amazon com inc stk, you will see the matches here in my second table. Here amazon.com inc. So you can see the, if you will look use VLOOKUP, you are not going to get this, but here you will get the matches. So normally when you are doing the lookup, you just need to put it in the middle, and the number matches. I'll just give 3. I'll just remove this one, and again I will put the VLOOKUP. Okay, I want my data output here in eCell, so I will just click on go. Initializing completed, done. See, I'm getting my matches for amazon.com. Friends, if you like this video, I think I have clearly taught you how to use this fuzzy lookup, how to download it from the Microsoft Store and install it in your Excel. So if you have any doubt, then you can comment below on this video, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share my videos with your friends, families, whoever you want to, and just keep on learning. Thank you so much. Bye bye.